Hi, Kathleen with Doily Designs back again, and we're going to make a leaf for our rose. There is a leaf in the pattern, and this is the leaf. We're going to, with the same hook that you used to make your flower, we're going to chain 12. And this is the leaf that we're making. So we'll chain 12. We'll slip stitch in the second chain, single crochet in the third chain, half double crochet in the next chain, double crochet in the next, half treble in the next. Then we'll do a treble, and another treble, and 2 treble in the next. We'll do a half treble, another treble, just one this time. Now we'll do a half treble in the next, and a double in the last chain. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn and slip stitch in the bottom of that same space, and chain 2. And now working on the other side of our chain, we'll do a double crochet in that same space, half treble in the next space, and we'll do a treble in the next space, and 2 treble in the next space. Now we'll do one more treble, and then a half treble, a double crochet in the next, half double crochet, single crochet, and now slip stitch in that last space. Now we're going to work a top slip stitch down the center of this leaf into those holes. Make sure you're going down the center. We'll just chain at the end of our leaf. And there you have your rose leaf, and you can make several of those and stitch them to your rose.